No matter how one tries to hide the look on the outside, word will always or somehow leak of what's inside or what goes in there. Hence, it was no surprise how authorities succeeded in persuading a court of law in Bulacan to issue a warrant for the raid with tales from those who came from the inside, as we hear the details of what was recovered from our Ryan Lesiges.
For the second time, personnel of the PNP, PAOK, and Anti-Money Laundering Council or AMLAC raided the so-called Pogo Hub, Central 1 Bataan in Bagak, Bataan. By virtue of a court order, 12 money vaults were opened. Large bundles of cash, still in plastic wrappings, were found inside the vaults. Other currencies were also discovered. A total of 112 million pesos in cash was recovered from the 12 money vaults that were ordered opened. According to PNP spokesperson Police Brigadier General Jean Fajardo, this proves the company is into scams and cryptocurrency operations.
Itong kumpanya na naging subject po ng kanilang search warrant ay nagpo-provide po ng back-end support, particularly sa gambling operations po, like yung tinatawag po pong Winbox. Na ito pong Winbox na ito ay matagal na pong binan sa iba-iba po pong bansa because of the fraud being conducted by this Winbox doon po sa kanilang mga customer.
The compound was entered after the Malolos RTC found probable cause for violating labor trafficking last October 31. The raid revealed computers loaded with Winbox, an illegal gambling app, and Atas, a platform used for withdrawing and depositing money. The company had no valid permit from PAGCOR and only held a permit from the Authority of Freeport, Bataan. In addition, documents and passports of former employees were also seized.
Hino-hold po yung kanilang mga pasaporte at kapag ginawa po natin and they are being forced to work doon po sa scam, that would constitute trafficking in persons na po. So ito po yung mga ebidensya po na kinakailangan po ng operating unit para suportahan po yung kasong isasampa po, not only with respect po doon sa violation po ng trafficking in persons, but also dito sinasabi nilang na fraud and other related cases.
The operation was triggered after receiving complaints from some Filipino claiming they were victims of labor trafficking in the area. Ryan Lesiges from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines, Kamkrame.